Okay, so how to create line paper in Word. So click on Insert tab, then click on Table, and click on Insert Table. Here you need to mention how many columns you would like, so 1, how many rows you like. So let's type 60 and click on OK. Okay guys, so here we are. Click on Layout. Make sure to click on Select Table. Okay, we have selected all. Now let's go to Design and click on Borders. And let's remove like a no border. Now let's click on Border again. Inside borders, make sure to select that. Okay, so as you can see, it's ready and you can start typing and using it. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.